So let's write a program in Yoruba that will generate multiplication table from 1 to 24. So let's start. Remember, we're making use of Yoruba, so we're going to use two loops. There will be an outer loop and inner loop. And remember that 9jaCoder is based on Python. So Python uses for loop, and in Yoruba it's going to be bere, start. So there's a little change, but it's mostly the same thing. It obeys the same rule. Like it's a range. If you want the number to stop at 24, it means you have to extend it to 25. So this will be the outer loop. So that will be O, outer. And then O con, we can use 1, but we are using Yoruba keywords. O con, C, excuse me. C, here I want to use Ogun. Ogun, that is 20, that for more plus arrow. Remember, we are stopping at 24. So 20 plus 5, that is 25. All good. So we wanted to print a blank line. I will show you why later. Then it's going to print. We can use the F print. We wanted to print tabili isodi púpọ̀ fún O. O will keep changing from 1 to 24. Then we wanted to print, to underline that using ASCII characters. So which character should we use? Let's use hyphen. Underline it 40 times, create 40 underscore character hyphen. So next we use the bere I. This time around we can still use O con, C mẹ́wàá, that more meta, or we can just use 13 here. Either way, both will work. I will change it later. Then this is where the main work takes place. We can use te or use tejade. Anyone will work. It's the same thing. So O, these are just placeholder. That is O times I, and this is where the real multiplication takes place. Asterisk is used in both 9jaCoder and Python as for multiplication. So let's run the code. This should be asterisk times 40. So let's clear it and run again. Very good. So that is, it repeated this 40 times. So table is equal to 24, but that is multiplication table for 24, this for 23, and so on and so forth. So let's screw up. Fun 1, fun 2, so on and so forth. So like I said, we can change this one also to, let's clear this, clear. Can change this to O con C ẹ̀wá dàpọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ta. So to still give us the same result, run, same result up to, that is up to 12. Let's crop. What if we want to make it GUI? So we use 9jaCoder GUI. tábìlì ìsọdí púpọ̀. I hope I'm correct. That's multiplication table ní Yoruba. So run it. That is the heading there. Tábìlì ìsọdí púpọ̀ ní Yoruba. And that's let's scroll. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So can we make it side by side? Yes, we can make it side by side, and that will be the subject of another video. Remember, download the software, and for those that don't know the URL, this is the URL. This is the last video I created on 9jaCoder. That's under tutorial. And remember, you can download the software using the download link, and you can sponsor us using the donate button. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers. Bye.